Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to explain to you guys how you can get the new Microsoft Store in Windows 11. So this video won't be long because when you install Windows 11's latest build, it will automatically give you the latest Microsoft Store, but some people are facing that they are not getting the complaining that they are not getting the latest Windows Microsoft Store in Windows 11. So for that they have to just update their Microsoft Store. So what they can do is they open their Microsoft Store and so I am currently using the latest version, so I cannot show you how you can update it. So but basically in every Microsoft Store, in app settings, you have to turn app updates. So if you are using the old version, you already know how to update the apps in Microsoft Store. So you have to just update every app in your old Microsoft Store, and all you can just do is wait. Once you have all app has been updated, you can restart your computer and open Microsoft Store again. 99% of the time your Microsoft Store will update itself, because as it has already updated all the other apps it contains, and now it will update itself. You don't have to do anything, you just have to give time to update, give time to it to update other apps first, then update itself when you install a new Windows. So it will take a time, but it will automatically get updated. You don't have to do any extra things to update it to new Microsoft Store. As I was using the old Microsoft Store in Windows 11 earlier builds, in that time it also happened like this, but now I have installed the latest Windows 11 version, and in here it provided inbuilt new Microsoft Store to me. So even if Windows 11 doesn't give you the inbuilt new Microsoft Store, it will automatically get updated once it has finished updating other built-in apps of Windows. So if you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.